Hello everyone and welcome to KNX tutorial number 7. In this tutorial I am going to show you how to do rapid KNX programming, which means how you can do KNX programming very easily and very efficiently. So this program is only for advanced user and for those people who does lots of programming. So this is not for the beginners. They can still learn it, but it's mainly for the big companies who need to do lots of programming, and this will make their life very, very easy. I do all my programming using these techniques. So let's go to the next slide. So what I'm going to show you in here is how to create group addresses automatically. Another way, how to create group addresses by using Excel. Link the group addresses, how to link the group addresses without drag and drop all of them. And then the use of KNX search option, which will increase the efficiency massively. Okay, let's go to the programming. So first thing is, I'll show you what I'm going to program in here. What I got is, this is one of the job, which is, I've done it previously, but I'm going to do it once more. So what we got here is, so we got dimmers, senior dimmers, and 4-channel dimmers, and ABB switch actuator, 8-channel, or whatever it is. So what we need, we're going to create links only for one switch actuator, for one dimmer, and the rest will be copy and paste. The group addresses, what I'm going to create the group addresses, I've wrote down this formula, which is, I need all this information. So like circuit 1, ground floor, dining room, and whatever it is. I just write the formula in Excel, and then I'm going to just double click, and it will go all the way to the end. So this will be on my group address name, and then it will be, and then I write down a macro which will create me in here. There is nothing if you see here. And now what we go is click on macro. I've write down some coding behind it. This will create all the group addresses I need. Automatically, I've got all the group addresses. Real-time error, and should be okay. So, okay, I haven't got all of it. Okay, let's go back, because that is, okay, I've got them all, yes. So I've got all the group addresses done. It's just a structure of group addresses, temporary, and now, then later I'm going to export this to KNX. But how, I will show you that. So the group addresses are done. Now let's go to the ETS. So LCP, I'm going to add just one device. Catalog, that is, what is that device is, let's see, this is my device. Catalog, I search this device here, and I'll drag this here, and then I need one switch actuator as well. That is maybe, okay, let's go copy and paste it from here. So I need this as well. Okay, and let's do this. Drag and drop into my project. Okay, So I need to create some group addresses, which doesn't matter what the name is, because I'm not worried about the name. I'm gonna just create a dummy group address, which I'm gonna just use it for my programming. I'll create middle group addresses. So dummy, and I can just change this to, let's just call it dimmable. Rather than creating dummy, we can just call it dimmable. Number one, no, this should, we're gonna just change it to dummy. Number 5, okay, and this is dummy. And then I gotta add lighting, dummy lighting. And then what I do is I just write down group addresses. I'm just writing down switch. It's just only so I know what I need to link. Otherwise, it doesn't matter. You can just write anything. Switch SWS status relative dimming. I just do write like this. It will help us later on in the search. Dim value, and then the last one is dim status. Dim status. Just to ignore if I've done any misspelling or anything, just ignore it. As the main thing is the idea, the concept. So created for one, and I need these 4 times. So let's change it to 3 more. And okay, now let's do a link, narrow them. Need to enable all 4 channels. Let's see. So what I got switch on, and I need statuses of those as well. So if I do dimming configuration, so what I will do is select them all. I need configuration. I assume that you already know what I'm doing right now. It's just I want to do it like I want to enable and show you all the group addresses which I'm linking. So we got to show statuses, and then in the statuses, so then what I need is both statuses, like switching status and value status, like dim value status as well. Okay, so I'm not bothered about whatever the setting is. I just need the status, the addresses now. So what I got on the top switch, I will just change it, split vertically, and then hide this here. I'm doing this only to show you, because normally I will have this somewhere on already somewhere done, and I just keep that program all the time, and you don't need to do this process again and again. So relative dim, dim value and value status. Again, this is very important. If I've done a mistake here, that means it's wrong. If I've done anything wrong, all the formula, everything will be wrong. So what I do, I will already have this. I'm just doing it once more to show you just to show you how it can get done. This is a pen. I had linking group addresses like this. It's it's a headache for me, and I come up with an amazing idea how to do it quickly. Okay, so dimmer, switch status, rel dim, dim value status, switch status, rel dim, dim value status, switch. Should have done the numbers as well, but that's fine. 5, 10, 15, okay, that's okay, perfect. And then I need to do of these, which will be, okay, I'm just going to create another one, probably it's way easier. Just write down to whatever it is, doesn't matter. Oh, not here, that's wrong. Head, middle, and again lighting 2. And just to do this, I need this. Need to pass this about 8 times. Okay. So this is switch status, again switch status, again switch status, switch status, switch and switch status, switch status, switch and switch status, and same thing here. Okay, all done. Now let's do the proper programming. So what I do here is, now go to the group addresses, and I will be creating my group addresses lighting. And then I will just create another one, which is dimmable. I just name it dimmable, but you can change them. Here, I just export this. Okay, I need to add one more group address. Just anything else, right? Anything here. I'm going to change this name. Everything going to get changed. Export group addresses. I'm going to just change it to Rapid Programming. Save, and that's done. So let's go open that file, which was KNX, where is it gone? KNX Rapid Programming. Don't know where did I save it. I need to export it once more to see where did I save it. Export. KNX Rapid Programming. And hope I can find this now. So this is KNX Rapid Programming. I just open this. Okay, so what I got here is, don't care what I got here is, the most important thing is I got a CSV file now. And that CSV file, if I go to my the programming where I create the group addresses, this is all what I've done. So I just gonna go to the top, copy all, and now go to my group addresses where I got the group addresses. I just paste this here. Yeah. And here what I do now is, so that is 0, 0, 2, and there is, this is a 2. Now let's do this. Upgrade. So what I do is 200, 200, and the last one should be 24. I don't need to go about 24, 25, 26, 27, 28 should be the last one because I don't want to go above, and then it will become 0. This will become 1, again 1, and 1. And then again go to okay, and I want to switch one. I want them to be separate, so that is 2, 0, 1, and then again 2, and then what I do now, again I will do it like that again. And these, I got the switch objects. The addresses you can just rename them, and here you just save it, close this file, go to ETS, and again import group addresses. And I got KNX Rapid Programming here, and you will see all the group addresses now. Okay, we can see now we got group addresses, all these group addresses done. Fantastic. Now another tricky bit, which is very important. What I do is I want the structure like this, but I want to create the linking now. And this would be, if I do this now, I take this down completely, I just delete. And the same thing I do for here. Delete. And the same thing I do here. And then at the end, delete. Okay. Now, here is the tricky bit. It's most important bit. So what I do now, I'll change these about, okay, I'll change this to number 100 just because I want my programming to be clean. It's mean, so I can see everything. The group addresses numbers are consistent. We'll just press Ctrl C here, and dimmable one, I know because I created D01 till D07. They will come on. Look, I got till dimmer 12, and I got from dimmer 1 till dimmer 12. So first 7 I will be, so what I do, Control C, Control V, okay. And now here is create group addresses 0/0. I say, and how many I need to paste here is 7 numbers. That you will see now the magic. Come on, now let's look at the magic here. And I need another magic now. I need to do another one. Again, Control V. But this time I need to create another file and create 01 And see another magic. Now another one I need to create switch actuator. Now Control V, create group addresses, and that is number 2. And okay, did I paste 3 or what did I paste? It should be, come on, it should be 3. Okay, I didn't paste 3, which is, should have done it 3 times. I've done it only once, which is no problem, but I should have changed it to 3 rather than creating it twice more. 0, 2. Okay. And the extra one, this one, and these 2, I don't need them anymore. Just delete them. Narrow them. Oh, I have deleted something wrong. Okay, this one should be here. This is delete 100. No need for it. Delete 200. Now, if you look in here, what it says, it don't make sense. What I've done is switch status. It don't make any sense at all what I did, but it will start make sense in a second now. I'll delete this because I don't need them anymore. Now I'm gonna import these group addresses again, what I've created previously. Just 1 second again. Boom. Now tell me, does it make sense? Okay, what we got here is ground, dining room, pendant, LED and feature, and whatever that is. And now the beautiful thing about this is, now you got all these. Okay, what I want is, let's see, I want to find out all the dining. So what I do is dining, come on. Okay, I got all the dining circuits. Now if I'm interested in switch value only, switch, oh, that's wrong. Oh, now look at it. So we got 3 circuits, all switch. If I'm interested in switch values, it is switch. If I'm interested like raise lower, which is relative dim, so I'll do RELDIM, the relative dim value, DIM value. This will make your life way easier. So let's go back to the slides. And okay, thanks for watching. Please don't forget to give your feedback, which will obviously give me motivation to create more videos. And what it does is it tells me that actually I am what I'm doing is helping someone else. And so I think so that's it. Hope you enjoy the video, and please don't forget to press like and subscribe. Thank you so much.